Okay, so let's start off with a rectangle. And my other point is going to be 38, 56. Now I'll create a circle that has a diameter of 3. I will move this circle from this quadrant to this endpoint. Let's take a look at this in an isometric view. And now we'll create the helix. Before I do that, I have to change my UCS since the height of the helix will go in the Z direction. So I'm just going to flip the handle by using a X90. Okay, let's create our helix. Start at this midpoint. Let's go to the center of our circle. Hit enter, we don't want it to spiral out. The turn height will be 12. As long as you make it higher than the 56, it should be okay. So let's make it 60. Let's flip our UCS back. Sweep. Select my profile. And then I'll switch and select the helix. Slice. Select your spring. I'm going to choose because I want to slice this thing. You can see that it's parallel to the XZ axis. So I'll choose the one that says ZX. Then I'll choose this endpoint. Let's keep both sides. Let's do that again. Slice. Once again, I'm going to select the spring that I have here. And then I'm going to still use that parallel axis of the ZX axis. I'll select this endpoint and keep both sides. Go ahead and erase your rectangle now. Let's look at this in shades of gray. And then we're going to delete the parts that we sliced between them. So I'm going to delete that part off the end of here. And I have another piece off the top here that I'll delete. Go ahead and save it. And name this one Spring.